to do this. What's up, friends? Welcome back to another exciting episode. I am heading to pick up my old MR2 that I've had sitting at my dad's house for roughly 6 to 8 months, and take him to my buddy's shop who we're gonna meet, and we're basically gonna get it back up and running. I mean, it runs, but the suspension needs some work. Coilovers need to be reset because I was a doofus and lowered it incorrectly. I still don't entirely know how to. Actually, I do know. But so we're gonna reset the coilovers, and I'm gonna try and get some of that in this, and take it for a test drive. I got my car registered again because it's been sitting so long that there's been no point in keeping it registered. It's been insured, but yeah. Anyways, talking too long. Let's go. This car is horribly bouncy.
Can't get any smaller than that.
So far, ladies and gents, don't lower your car the way I did. Do it correctly. Take it to somebody. God, even if you have to, don't lower it by the spindles on the coilovers.
Take it to someone who pretends like they know what they're doing.
Like this guy. He knows what he's doing, or at least he pretends like it.
All right, should we start with it?
Mm-hmm.
Car so low.
Footage of this. Okay, so this is what I did forever ago, back before I knew any better. So this is what I'm doing. So we all learn together. I lowered it using these. I just spun this, dropped it all the way down. Spider up. This car's been sitting for several months here. So my whole coilover, as you can see, is completely loose. That is why this rides like such dog shit garbage. How many swears do I get on YouTube? Anyway, but you can say that's the amount that I took out of it. So, yeah.
please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright. Morning time-ish. It's already almost 11. Got Hayden, my little mechanic buddy, old pal, and me, some breakfast. Stopped and picked me up some coffee. Hoping we're gonna get the MR2 suspension buttoned up today and get it home, and then we can start on the rest of, I don't know, whatever else. Hey, handsome boy.
Lordy, lordy, lordy.
Feels good. Here's a burrito and a fresh water for you.
And a beer.
Pretty wild over here on Okay, so Hayden is continuing to play Pokemon. I can't get him to get away from his Game Boy right now. But what I'm doing is working on a coilover. Just do this real quick. I already broke this one loose. What we're working on right now is getting these collars here that are basically seized just to release. And also the same for these two right here. So what I've done is just take 2 pieces of wood just to protect this as best that I can. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of anti-seize that we got over here, or blaster. And let that sit and penetrate for a second, and then get to cranking on these. Sorry, I keep looking instead of looking at my phone and where it's going to. So, okay. Sweet. Okay, so holding that in, a little bit of anti-seize in here. These are now nice and loose. So from here, I can go ahead and get these back tight once more. And also be able to adjust from the bottom. Little tip, get yourself a little brush, because these had so much grime in them that it was hard to get these collars to move back and forth. So you just take a little plastic one so that you don't ruin like the anodized finishing on this, and just go through and just, you know, clean them up a little bit. That way they can move back and forth beautifully like so. I'm gonna go through, do that to the others as well now that I got them all loose. Maybe I should have done it with them on, who knows. black guy, but the alignment is pretty close to dialed in. It's the best that we're gonna get for it right now until we find some major aftermarket support for it. But it drives so much smoother. We had to do the old baseball trick with the fenders because the fender roller that we have currently just wouldn't fit. So get down deep enough. Yeah, we had to roll it with a baseball bat and a heat gun because these are too small for the fender roller that we have currently. So anyway, I still have a busted headlight. It is getting dark. That side doesn't look so well, especially on the tires on this car. And I need to get it home. So let's go. Hey friends, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna win you over with a puppy. This is little Io. My name's Russell, aka Rusty Pizzeria. Thanks for watching the video if you made it this far. I really do appreciate it. There's gonna be more in the future. I'm gonna use this as a basis to get myself motivated to keep working on my cars that I have. Sorry if the video wasn't as in-depth as many of you wanted it to be. I probably plan on doing another coilover rebuild in the future and have it a lot more in depth. With this being my first video, I learned a lot, and I know from a lot of the mistakes that I made, especially when editing it, I was like, oh, I wish I had this here, I wish I had that there. There's only so much we can do besides keep going on into the future. So from little baby Io, who is 4 months and 35 pounds now, we wish you all a good night. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, leave some feedback, even if it's negative. We'll get through it. Thanks, everybody. Bye, bye, bye.